everybody your name for people editing this right?
Michael Jackson, Carolina Panthers.
All right. So, come to support your friend today?
Yeah, man. You know, Bradberry, been one of the guys, you know, I kind of modeled my game around when I was younger, so it's always just come show support for, you know, guys that paid the way for you.
Yeah. Why is it important to come to events like this?
I can't hear you.
Why is it important to do events like this?
One, just for networking, but also he's born and bred here. So it's for me, it's always nice just to be around guys from my neighborhood that went through the same things I went through, and look what we know.
Yeah. Did you ever think that you guys being from the hood, you know, from the neighborhood and stuff, that y'all would be where you are today?
Nah, it's crazy. It's crazy what life does when you just stay focused and just stick to your grind.
If there was anything you could tell the kids out there about dreaming like y'all did, what would you tell the kids?
Just have an imagination. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. Because there were people that always said, oh, like, you need to have a backup plan because in case the NFL didn't work out. Yeah. And I feel like that's the case. I'm planning to fail. Yeah. So just stick to your dreams and believe in yourself.
So, real quick, J-Biv was always hanging out at the A.G. Gaston Boys Club. Yeah. That's what this is. Were you hanging out there?
Yes. It was crazy. My screensaver is an old football picture from the Boys and Girls Club. Yeah, so a lot of memories there. That's why I really learned and fell in love with the game of football.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, he said earlier today, he said if it was not for the A.G. Gaston Boys and Girls Club, he wouldn't be an NFL player.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. For sure. Like, so what's crazy on my team at A.G. Gaston, 3 of us in the NFL, and we were not the best players on the team. So that lets you know what type of team it was. So I just truly believe that I wouldn't be here without that. No problem.
All right, well, I got to ask one more question now. What you guys going to do this year, man?
Oh, we're going to be nice. We're going to be nice. We're going to be nice. We win at least 10 games. At least. Yeah, so it's going to be a good year.
All right, man.
All right.
Thanks, brother. Good to see you.